Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna see how to install a VMware Workstation Pro on your local laptop in order to set up a SQL Server uh, environment on your local and work how the real production environment will look like. Okay, let's start the things. And first we have to install the VMware for the official website, and this one will help out to download the latest VMware one. And so I will just keep this one in the description. So let's get started on how to download it. Let me open a Chrome, and it's just getting started. Once the Google Chrome is open, and we have to paste the URL and the enter, and it will start the download for us. And as I already downloaded it, I'm just going to close the download, and I will go to my download wizard, the download folder, in order to start my installation. Okay, let me go to the download folder. Here I have the VMware, the one I already downloaded. Okay, let me start this as an administrator. Okay, it's just getting started. The basic installation of the VMware workstation 5.5, and I have to just in this demo we are just installing 15.5 of the VMware Workstation Pro. And the VMware will give us a free trial for 30 days, and if you have the production key you can directly go ahead and use those features of the VMware. Okay, let me wait until it gives a further pop out. Okay, it's just preparing to install. It will take it will do a couple of prerequisites like your hard disk and the memory and everything. Once everything looks good, it will just provide us to next option. And you have to read the terms and conditions of the VMware, go through all of those, and once you're good, just accept the terms and condition, and then next. Okay, if you want to go with the enhanced keyboard option, you have to check it out. And for my scenario, I don't want this, so I'm just unchecking and go through next. Okay, and I need the updates from the VMware on time to time, but I don't want to join on the VMware customer experience improvement program, so I just unchecked it. And let me go next. Okay, I, I need a desktop shortcut as well as a startup menu for the program when I'm working in a real time. So I will just leave both the option as default, and I will go next. The most of the times is like next. We are done with all the settings, and now I will click on install to start the actual process, and it will take a couple of minutes to complete the VMware installation. Okay, once we are it is done with the installation, we have to give a production key. Okay, and you can purchase it from the VMware official site, or if you want to try a free trial, you can go with that. Okay, let's wait until the installation is completed. Okay, it's going very well. Okay, it's just created a shortcut. That means as a background it is doing all his work one by one in a serial way. Okay. Okay, once setup is done, it will clean up all the drivers which are not there, and even the whenever we are install the VMware, it will just install the network adapters for VMware as well. So it's currently doing the installation of virtual networks on your local laptop. on all the required drivers are just going to install. Okay, and finally it is removing all the unwanted things. And if you have the license key, you have to click on the license key and update it. And if you don't have the license key, just skip and enter. For this demo, I have the license key, I will enter it later. For this demo, I'm just skipping the license key, and I will just show you like what are the features available in VMware. Okay, once you are done with the installation, yeah, you have the shortcut on your desktop. Simply we have to double click, so it will fire up the VMware uh, software. Okay, by default when you install the first time the VMware, it looks like similar to the same screen. And you have the different options like the first one is to create new virtual machine. Whenever we want to create any new virtual machine, we'll go with this option and open a virtual machine. Like you already have a virtual machine files on your laptop, any of the disk, and if you want to browse it, you will use this option. Okay, and then the another one, uh, even VMware will support the remote servers to connect from our local machine. So this needs a separate setup from the VMware side. And these are the main three options. And if you go with one by one option, in my computer, uh, next to my in this my computer option, you can see all the VMwares which you are created, and everything will be shown here. The name of the VMware and the current status, whether it is or running or in pause or in offline. You can see all the status here. Okay, and then the files. Okay, we can from the files also we can create a new virtual machine, a new tab, and you can connect and do all other things. In edit, mostly we'll work with the virtual network adapters. In a future videos will show what each and every options, how we have to work on that. Okay, and the VMware, if you select any certain VMware, this is the option, power option will allow you to power on, power off, and suspect the VM. Okay, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a good day, and please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.